So what's up, guys? We're doing another video of this is a airplane game. We have right now 2 million money, and where we finish this, we're gonna do the air rescue. But before that, we have to choose a plane, get more money to buy a good, expensive airplane. So let me know in the comments which airplane you want me to use, so I can get until 2,400,444. So here's the turbo, the Sinclair 172, the splitter split fire. It looks from like World War One or World War Two. The Beech King Air, the Antonov V2, this Devil 300 L, Learjet 55. There's as well McDouglas 10. Also have Cargo 130, Cargo 415, and Airbus 333, and Jetfire 18, and Glider 808, and also Sensia 172 float, and that's one is UGLA 104. So let me know in the comments below, so you can tell me what plane or what jet or what airplane I should use to get lots of money for this expensive. Oh, sorry for the ads, guys. Like for this, oh my gosh, the ads. For this expensive airplane to do and get. So guys, let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. See you next time.